Good morning, Dr. Ericka Mizuta with Recover Healthcare. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video about unlocking your metabolic health, and I had ordered a Dexcom sensor system that I'm going to use to track my blood sugar and see what my metabolic health is. I had been kind of busy and I did some traveling, and then I got sick, so I decided not to put the sensor in until now. So I'm actually going to do it in a video for you. I wanted to make sure that I was feeling good and was ready to actually track my progress. So how this works is that I have an alcohol pad. So I'm going to clean off the area of my arm where I'm going to insert it. And then this is my sensor. This is actually going to, once I push this button, it's actually going to shoot a wire into my arm, which I'm then going to attach my transmitter to. And that's going to allow me to actually track my blood sugar and get a continuous readout through the app of the Dexcom, which is going to pair with my Levels app. So it's going to really help me to see how my body is responding to food that I'm eating. And it'll be interesting because I was actually going to go out to lunch today with a friend. So I'm just cleaning my arm off here because I'm going to put it back here. And I'm actually putting it on my right arm, even though I'm right-handed, because I sleep on my left side, and I wanted to put it in my arm, but I just did not want, I didn't want to be sleeping on it, so that's why I'm putting it on the right side. So the instructions, I've used my little QR code here, and then I'm supposed to peel these little patches off. So I've cleaned my arm. I'm just going to let that dry for a second. So like I said, inside here is the actual, there's a wire sensor. You can't see it, but it's like getting a shot. It's going to inject it. So the instruction was to stick it on there, and then I'm supposed to break off I may have to, oh, there we go. So I'm trying to do this with my left hand, and I'm right-handed. So anyhow, I break that off, and then I'm just supposed to push this button. So I pushed it, and I literally felt nothing. Like, I finger stick to check my blood sugar, that I didn't feel anything. So that literally just shot a wire into my arm. And so now this is this is called your transmitter. And the transmitter slides onto here. And so this is how I'm gonna get my readout. And again, I'm right-handed. I just did all that with my left hand. So you can see how easy it was to actually do that. So I have it inserted now. I have a little patch where I can cover this up just to kind of protect it. So I'm gonna do that. And then I need to go back onto my Dexcom app. So there's some steps like after you've inserted it that helps to pair everything. So I'm gonna go do that, pair it all with my app. And then I will be, again, you can see, like I said, I'm right-handed, and I'm doing this with my left hand. So actually it's not difficult at all. So there we go. Now I have my sensor in. So now I'm gonna be able to do a continuous blood sugar readout measurement. So I'll do another video, update you, let you know how everything's going. I would be kind of excited to see what happens after I eat lunch. I'm actually still fasting right now, so I'm not sure what my blood sugar is, but the last time I ate was last night. I didn't really eat that much dinner. I wasn't that hungry, so that was about 6 o'clock. And now it's the next morning, it's 8:15. So I'll see what my readout is then, and then I'll see what happens after I eat lunch. So I'll keep you guys updated, but you can see how easy that is if you really want to get a continuous glucose monitor, especially if you already are diabetic and you're doing finger sticks. Literally, that was the easiest thing ever. Like, I didn't feel anything. So I have a 3-pack of these. So I'm gonna keep going until I use all my supplies and really figure out what my metabolic health is. So I hope you guys have a great day, and just make sure that you are taking care of your health, because that's one of the things that we really need to work on in the United States. And obviously the world needs to work on that. All right, have a great day.